subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free, and also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is watermelon punch, a sizzling summer cooler for which you require watermelon. I've taken a heap bowl of watermelon. Sugar is just to taste. If your watermelon is very sweet, you can skip the part. 1 lemon and few mint leaves. So these are all the ingredients. If you prefer, you can replace the lemon with some Sprite, but I am using lemon here. Now onto your blender, add in the watermelon pieces. Put in the sugar and few pudina leaves. Don't add more pudina leaves because it will dominate the taste. Now blend everything together. I am using the shell of the watermelon to serve. I have cut the downside so that it can sit properly in the surface. Pour in the juice. You can use your regular glasses, not an issue. Fill juice into the shell. Now squish in a lemon. I have scooped the watermelon and kept it here. Add the scooped watermelon pieces. Now add ice cubes. Give everything a good mix. And here it is, our watermelon punch is ready. Serve this as chilled as possible so that it tastes awesome and keeps you refreshed. Hope you'll give this recipe out a try, and let me know your reviews and comments in the comment section box below. Thanks for watching House to Home.